Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the collection book on the RHYTHM HIVE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the content section at the lower left corner of the screen and find it the collection book and step on it. And here you can find the collection book theme and the artist. And here you can find a more picture for BTS members. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.